So VEVOR ended up gifting us this charcoal grill. Now, as you can see, this is a very large charcoal grill. Now, before I go ahead and dirty this thing up by cooking on it, I wanted to show you some of the features of this unit because it does have a lot of features that I absolutely love. So I'm going to start from bottom and work my way up. So on the bottom of the unit, we do have these really nice wheels, and they're pretty heavy duty. And the legs on this unit are very stout as well. The unit itself is made of a powder coated steel, so it's definitely going to last in the weather. So it does have a shelf below, giving you a little more storage to the unit. Now, we all know when we're dealing with charcoal and the charcoal starts to break down, it creates such a mess with the ashes. But not anymore, not with this grill. This grill has a drawer that you can just take right on out and dump those ashes. So, very easy to clean. I like this. Each side does have a nice prep area, and this is made very thick as well. Again, super durable. Like, you're not gonna get a grill that's this beefy. Even the handles are very heavy duty. Now, the cool thing about this unit is this allows you to be able to get into where your charcoal goes. And each side you can drop down or raise up. So depending on what you're cooking, if you were cooking something that needed less heat, then you would stick it down like this one is. However, if you needed something that needed more heat, you would push it up exactly like this is. So you definitely have a lot of adjustability in your coals here, which is actually the first time I've seen something like that, that controls your charcoal like that. So on each side of the unit, you have two windows on this side, two on that side, and that's going to allow you to control the heat. So you can open them right up or you can shut them. Whatever will get you to the right temperature. Those are what you're going to play with to get to that temperature. Now, the unit also has a bottle opener. Gotta have one of them. It also has these very heavy duty hooks. The unit also has a thermostat at the top, and you do have a little chimney or flute that you can let your smoke out. So that feature allows you to put more of a smoke to your actual meat. Now, I really can't express to you how heavy duty all of this is. The handles are super thick and super strong. Now, if we open up the unit, we do have an extremely large grilling space. You actually have 500 square inches of grilling space with an additional 280 square inches of roasting space up top. So that's a lot of grill area. So that's exactly why they have two different areas in which you can control your charcoal, because it's such a wide space. So all in all, if you're looking for a new charcoal grill, you may want to consider this one. It is so heavy duty and has some killer features to it.